Hello everybody, welcome to the latest XTOOL Mechanics Academy, and it's me, Fernando again. Today I'm gonna share something about the famous BMW FRM module. Do you know FRM? Actually, most people will say it's footwell module, but for me, I will say it's footrest module for better understanding. Okay, so just like shown in the last video, the FRM is in charge of the headlight, the courtesy light, the windows, etc. All the common used electrical devices and components are related to this famous and important module. The FRM usually look like this. And do you know where it's located at? Actually, it's not in the footwell or footrest area. It's near the bottom of the column A, near the driver's side, here. So you don't need to open the ground here, but you need to open the side part that's near to the bottom of the column A here. And these are the related FRM modules that are usually very problematic. It causes a lot of problems just because of some abnormal data, inputting, outputting, communication problems. All this will cause the FRM failure. These are the detailed chassis types that will have a problem with the FRM, like the E70, 71, 84, 87, 89, 90 series, and R56. What will it cause? For example, the headlight, the angel eyes, the turn signals cannot be switched on or off. That means even if you have locked the car, the headlight, the turn signal, the angel eyes could still possibly stay on for a very long time until the battery capacity is drained out. That's no good. And then for the windshield wiper, you may just cannot turn it on or control the speed, etc. For the rear view mirror adjustment, you cannot adjust the angle, cannot adjust the direction it faces, or you cannot just let it auto hold back. Then we got the window problem. You cannot adjust the window height. Or after you locked your car, you cannot let it automatically lift the window so your entire vehicle is tightly sealed. Of course, nobody wishes the window is still open when you have already locked your car. And that is not all common cases. Actually, other cases like functionality related to the position of the driver's seat function and the automatic door lock function are also involved, because the FRM may be involved into the software communication with the door locks. So how can we tell that it's definitely the FRM's fault instead of any other part? Actually, first, you can take one of our XTOOL models. Almost all XTOOL devices can, specifically XTOOL Diagnostics scanners, can detect the FRM module of BMW. But sometimes you may just got nothing wrong after the automatic scanning of the entire vehicle system. But whenever you realize something's wrong with the wiper, with the headlight, with the angel eye, the window, the rear view mirror, folding and unfolding function, it could be very possibly the FRM's fault. So even though there's nothing wrong after the automatic scanning process, there still could be something wrong with the FRM. So what can we do to fix it? First, we need to make sure the connections to the module are all very tight and the communication is normal. If still the problem exists, we need to considering reprogramming the module. The last choice is to replace the FRM, but it's also needed to remember. You need to reprogram the new module with the same VIN code. because the VIN code of this vehicle takes a lot of information as of critical usage. If you didn't follow the VIN code of the original vehicle, then it may cause some very severe problem about adaptation.
Avoid battery depletion and reverse connection during jump starting. Unauthorized circuit modification is prohibited. Prevent water from entering the footwell, and driving on the road is forbidden if key functions fail.
So in the end, the FRM is a common case for BMW between 2006 to 2014 and E-chassis. That means if you still have the E-chassis but not within that range, it's okay. And if you have a BMW with another chassis like F chassis, it's also good. Thank you so much for today's sharing, and that's all about FRM's knowledge. If you want to learn more about specific functions like the FRM reset or else, leave your comments down below. See you next time.